In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create linked records in Airtable. By the end, you'll understand not just how to set them up, but also why they're so powerful for organizing your information. Let's start from the very beginning. Go ahead and open the Airtable base where the tables you want to connect already live. A base is basically your project or database, and each base can have multiple tables like contacts, companies, projects, or tasks. Make sure you're in the correct base, because linked records only work between tables in the same base. Now choose the table where you want the link to start from. This is often called the origin table. For example, if you want to connect each contact to a company, you'd start from the contacts table. At the top of that table, look for the plus icon to add a new field. Click that plus sign to create a new column. If you prefer, you can also click the drop-down arrow on an existing field header and choose the option to insert a new field next to it. Either way, you're creating a dedicated field that will hold your link to another table. When the field configuration window opens, give your field a clear descriptive name, like company or related project, so it's obvious what it's linking to. Then, look for the field type options and change the type to link to another record. This tells Airtable that this column won't just store plain text or numbers. Instead, it will store connections to records in another table. Next, Airtable will ask you which table you want to link to. Choose the table that makes the most sense for your workflow. For instance, if you're in contacts and you want to associate each contact with a company, select the company's table from the list. This creates a relationship between those two tables. You'll also see some settings for the link. One important option is allowing linking to multiple records. This is usually turned on by default. Leaving it on means one record in your origin table can be connected to several records in the other table, like one project connected to many tasks. If your relationship should only ever be one-to-one, you can turn that off, but many setups benefit from linking to multiple records. After you save the field, you're ready to actually connect records. In your origin table, click into the new linked record field in any row. Start typing the name of an existing record from the other table, and Airtable will suggest matches. Click to select one, and that record is now linked. If you don't see the record you need, you can create a new one directly from that same field, and Airtable will automatically add it to the linked table and connect it for you. Repeat this for as many rows as you need, and you'll quickly build a network of related records that makes your base far more powerful and easier to navigate.